Hi, welcome in a week of a life, being a social media manager while traveling in Siargao. But as you can see guys, I just got home from 11 days travel in Siargao, but you don't have to worry because I filmed everything for you to see. What setup I did as a social media manager while traveling. Being a social media manager is not easy, but if you have the right system and if you know your own process, you will get everything done easy peasy. By the way, I will become 2 years this May as a freelance social media manager, and my journey as a social media manager, sometimes it's hard, but most of the time is enjoy. So let me walk you through on my week in a life as a social media manager while traveling in Siargao with 15 plus 2 added clients as a social media manager. Let's go. April 1, 2025. And this is actually our second day here in Siargao. And as a social media manager, just watch the course na in-enroll sa akin ng client ko. Makakakuha naman ako ng recorded sessions of that courses, but I just want to let my client know na even though I am traveling here in Siargao, I am watching the course na in-enroll niya sa akin. Baka kasi sabihin is hindi ko pinapahalagahan yung mga courses na binibigay niya sa akin, which this course is worth like $500. Kaya, I want to cherish it kasi ayoko naman na isipin niya na sayang lang dahil in-enroll niya ako dito sa ganitong course. Then, hindi ko papanoodin right on time. I just watch like 30 minutes or 1 hour of the courses. Actually, madaling araw ako nag-work and madaling araw ko to film because I decided that I have to film it April 1 so that I can edit April 7, which still we are here in Siargao. And since madaling araw pa lang and wala namang kaming tour or wala namang kaming pupuntahan, I have to engage with my client's account. This is a new client that I have onboarded while we are at the airport. Yes, and onboard ko lang si client sa airport using my cell phone because I have the templated onboarding process. So that is the process that I am telling you na kahit nasaan ka talaga, if you know the process or if you have the system, super dali na talaga sa'yo ang mag-onboard ng client. That's why even though I am at the airport and cellphone lang, hindi ko na nilabas yung laptop, in-onboard ko siya, sinandan ko sila ng welcome packet para makuha ko lahat ng details, then I will start engaging today, April 1. And engaging as a social media manager, I just need one device for me to log in the account, and I choose to log in the client's account here on iPad para all of the client's account is nandito talaga sa iPad. I have few accounts here on my cell phone, but those are the clients that I am doing full social media management para when I am doing a story and uploading contents, I can easily create contents and post it to their social media accounts using my cell phone. But if it is engagement only or project-based, nilalagay ko talaga sila sa iPad so I can engage fully using my iPad lang. So it is not necessarily that you guys have to do it. It's just that it's easy for me to handle those clients in different devices para alam ko at kung ano yung mga devices na dadalhin ko when traveling. And of course, after engaging, I also do the edit for one client. And when editing, I am only using my cell phone. It's very easy for me to use my cell phone in editing because kahit nakahiga ako, I can edit. And as you can see, my partner and my friends are already sleeping and I'm only the one who's awake sa amin and I am editing the content. So para kahit nakahiga ako, I can edit and madali lang naman mag-edit sa akin talaga ng content. I use CapCut for editing. Then, I'm just going to upload it to their Google Drive and that's it. I can edit it. And in editing the content, I do batch edit for all of the contents. Without caption, without reel covers, I just edit the content. That's my day 1 as a social media manager. Hindi ako inabot ng 2 oras in working. Engage lang ako, nag-edit lang ako ng content and that's it. Natulog na ako. And on the same day, April 1, I woke up at 8 a.m. to finalize one client's content that I have edited kaninang madaling araw. And when I say finalizing, this is where I create caption, reel covers, and have the client approve of the content. And since we woke up early, we have something to do today as a traveler here in Siargao. We ate breakfast and my friends cooked pancit canton para naman makatipid kami sa day 2. And as you can see, one of my friend is sick and 3 lang talaga kaming magla-land tour today since may sakit yung isa at yung isa naman is may trabaho. Of course, let me give you some glimpse of what we did today for land tour. We went to Coconut View, Maasin River. Yes, talon-talon lang kami dyan. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako marunong maglangoy. But since may life vest, so ayun, nakitalon na lang din talaga ako. Lakasan na lang din talaga ng loob. And we also went to Magpupungko and of course, we do dinner, resto hopping, and girl bonding. Kasi medyo ayos na yung friend ko. And yung isa naman is wala na din talaga siyang work. Kasi tapos na. Hapon na. Dumating na kami nun. After that, gabi na naman. So kapag gabi, walang ginagawa and tapos na mag-enjoy, I do work. I send client invoice. Yes, on the same day as well, I also do engagement for one of the client 10 minutes. And then, I edit content ulit for one client until April 14. Since this is one of the client that I was not able to edit content before going to Siargao. Kasi kami dito sa Siargao hanggang April 11 kami dito. Para hindi ako mag-work totally for my stay here in Siargao. Before going here in Siargao, most of the clients I edited content na up until April 14. Para hanggang April 11 na pauwi na kami is wala pa din akong i-work or wala pa din akong ganong i-edit. Except for one client that I need to edit kasi hindi ko nga siya na-edit na content. Since may ready for approval na ako kaninang umaga, in-approve na siya ng client, kaya i-schedule ko na din siya for today. Once na-schedule ko na siya, kasi madali lang naman talaga mag-schedule, luckily, ang internet dito sa na-stayan namin is sobrang bilis kasi naka-Starlink siya. And after that, I send updates to all of the clients na kung ano yung mga nagawa ko sa account nila, ganto ganyan. So like a normal thing na we are doing, kahit hindi tayo nagte-travel, is I am always do updates for all of the clients. So, for example, nakapag-schedule na ako ng content ng client na yun. So, i-update ko sila or i-message ko sila na, "Hi client, I already scheduled all of your content up until ganto ganyan." And that's it. I just want my clients be updated of everything that I did to their accounts. And lastly, I always check all of the dashboard of the client. If there's something that I need to do, then inilalagay ko yan sila sa aking to-do list here in Notion para wala akong ma-miss. Kasi there are times na nami-miss ko talaga na, ay, ito pala, hindi ko pa pala siya na-edit. Ay, ito pala is, kailangan ko pala siyang i-schedule. So, kailangan ko silang ilagay dito sa aking to-do list, dito sa calendar na to. So, I know what to do on that specific day. And that's how I end my day 1 as a social media manager. And hello to my day 2 here in Siargao as a social media manager. I also edit clients' content up until afternoon kasi ito talaga mga content na in-edit na to is carousel. That's why it takes me a lot of time to edit carousel. I hate editing carousel. As a social media manager, especially, hindi talaga ako makapag-focus while here in Siargao kasi syempre, my mind, my soul is like traveling, then mag-edit ako ng content, right? So, hindi ako makapag-isip kapag gano'n or hindi ako makapag-focus. Kaya sobrang tagal ko talaga mag-edit ng isang content. Pag nag-edit ako dito sa bahay, sobrang dali lang sa akin mag-edit kasi syempre, wala naman akong gagawin kung hindi edit content lang. And here in Siargao, iba yung ambience kasi kapag nag-edit ka. That's why, ayun, inabot kami ng afternoon since we only plan to go to Island Corgis and Cloud9 today. Kasi sabi sa block up, maganda daw magpunta ng Cloud9 kapag hapon because of sunset. Pumunta kami sa bridge to take some photos and wait for sunset. Bumalik ulit kami sa General Luna to eat sa Corvada. I don't actually recommend Corvada. Hindi siya masarap, na-hype lang siya sa Black App. After that, I do finalize of one of the client's content which I edited this morning. I also check one client's dashboard which literally shocked me because I haven't created content for him since April 1st. At ayan yung sinasabi ko talaga na may nakakalimutan talaga ako. That's why, hanggang April 30 na yung gagawin ko sa kanya ng content. Because on this other client that I am handling, I am only doing project-based or editing content for him. Then, siya yung nagbibigay ng content ideas and all of the details. I just do the editing. Then, siya na din ang caption and reel cover siya ng bahala. So, editing of the content lang yung sa akin. And sobrang nabigla ako kasi ang dami ko na palang i-edit sa kanyang content kasi hindi ko nakikita yung dashboard niya. Bakit? Dahil iba yung dashboard na ginagamit niya. He is using Trello while me and my other clients using Asana and Notion. My main social media dashboard that I am using is Notion. And since nga nasa ibang dashboard sila, and reason why it is different dashboard kasi mas prefer ni client na dun sa dashboard na yun because they have been using this dashboard since then kahit nung wala pa ako. So ako na lang talaga yung nag-adjust since nag-edit lang naman ako ng content for this client. At ayun na nga, tsaka ko lang nalaman na madami na pala akong i-edit sa kanya because he messaged me on Upwork. Yes, this is actually my second client since I started being a social media manager. Minessage niya ako sa Upwork, nakuha ko din siya sa Upwork. So, sabi niya sa akin sa Upwork, nangamusta siya. Hey, Shara, I hope you're doing well, just checking in, blah, blah, blah. Doon ko naalala, hala, hindi ko pa pala na-check yung dashboard niya. And pag-check ko, voila! Ang dami ko na palang i-edit na content. At ayun, I started do the editing sa content na yon. And luckily, I have someone who's helping me when it comes to editing. Kapag ganun kasi na-overwhelm na ako and sobrang hindi ko na talaga kaya yung workload, kumukuha ko sa mga nasa session ko or naku-coach ko na people. Then, sa kanila ko binibigay yung project. And syempre, tinatanong ko sila kung magkano yung rate nila for that specific project. Tapos, within the budget naman ni client, so sa kanila ko na lang binibigay yung project. Kasi syempre, sila naman yung gumawa and ako, I really don't have time to manage it and to edit it. Kaya, some of the time, na kapag hindi ko talaga kaya, binibigay ko sa kanila and swerte ko na lang din talaga is they are free to do it. That's why, yun, nabibigay ko pa din yung quality content or quality service sa client. Actually, mas magaling pa talaga silang mag-edit sa akin ng content. That's it. That's my day 2. Welcome to day 3 here in Siargao as a social media manager. And since it is day 3 and we are scheduled to do island hopping today, we woke up at 5 a.m. Yes, sobrang aga kasi 7 a.m. yung pick up sa amin for island hopping. I actually availed the island hopping package to one of the people na na-coach ko din kasi siya ay tour guide sa Siargao. That's why, ayun, dun ako sa kanya nag-avail. Hi, Sophia! Thank you so much for guiding us dyan sa Siargao. And for the island hopping, we went to Corridor Island, Naked Island, Daku, and Guyam Island. Then, kumain kami, umuwi, and edit content for one client until April 14 ulit. So, I don't have any contents needs to be edited unless clients wants to revise it. After editing, I also did create content ideas for new client, though it is not part of the contract to give her content ideas, but I want to build trust for both of us kasi bago pa lang din talaga siyang client ko. Even I only do engagement for her like 10 to 30 minutes in a day. I also want to provide her content ideas. I already optimize and do auditing to her account. Kaya nag-optimize kami ng account niya and luckily dumadagdag yung followers niya, nakakapag-close siya ng deal and nakakakuha siya ng sales. In engaging, you have to target the right people, the right audience so you can convert it to sales. And yes, welcome to day 4. So day 4, we go to the clinic since my partner experiencing diarrhea because of the seafoods he eats during our budal fight in Siargao. Nung kami ay nag-island hopping. And obviously, we just rest the whole day. I also work with clients content and onboarded a new one. Diba? Ang galing. Hindi ko actually in-expect na makapag-onboard talaga ng client. Pero ayun, na-close deal ko siya and in-onboard ko siya talaga. So, using this easy template I have, I got this client on Instagram pa din. So, most of my clients right now, nakukuha ko talaga sila lahat sa Instagram because I have this account that's helping me to get leads and to have discovery call for potential clients. And yes, it is a boring day here in Siargao as a social media manager, but I have enjoyed because I did everything that I did as a social media manager. So talagang na-check ko lahat ng to-do list ko sa aking calendar and I am so happy. That's why welcome to day 5 as a social media manager. We visit North Siargao. We rented a car where all of us 5 would fit and one tour guide. And the best part is we also visit Island Corgis as someone who have 4 dogs kasi nga, hindi namin siya na-visit last time dahil nga, sarado or naka-break yung mga dogs kasi syempre kailangan din naman nila magpahinga, no? Kaya, ayan, we also do paddle. After a long day, obviously, don't have energy to work. So, hindi ako nagtrabaho ng ganitong araw at in-enjoy ko lang talaga ang Siargao. I love Siargao. It's very beautiful place for you to rest and sobrang chill lang talaga ng tao dito. Parang no pressure. Everything is perfect for you to relax, for you to rest, and forget everything outside of the world. Charis. And yes, it is day 6 and we had to drop off of my friends to airport since it is time for them to go back home. Kasi hanggang 6 days lang talaga sila dito sa Siargao. So me and my partner just finished the day testing different restaurants. So yes, nag-restaurant hopping kami. Try food spa and massage. And of course, after that, nag-work ako ng gabi to finish all of my to-do list. I really need to list down all of my to-do list, especially that I am handling multiple clients. And you guys, if you are handling multiple clients, please list down all of your to-do list kasi it is a game changer para hindi nyo talaga makalimutan yung mga gagawin nyo on that specific day. Kasi sobra ko talaga makakalimutan na person, and thank you so much Notion for this feature kasi I love it. But of course, if you are not so tech-savvy person, I also found another tool for you. It is like Notion. So I found this tool called Tana. It's very helpful just like Notion and easy to navigate at sobrang beginner-friendly din talaga niya. You can list down all of your to-do list and all of the things that you can do. So, sobrang easy niya talaga to use. That's why it also helps me even though naglalakad ako and nag-voice over lang ako. Then, ililista na talaga niya lahat na kailangan kong gawin. So, very easy that I don't need to open my laptop just to list down all of my to-do list even though I am doing something. And I'm going to just voice over all of my to-do list and Tana will work it for you. It's very friendly. I would suggest if you are a beginner social media manager, try this tool and you will definitely love it. And if you are not someone who's tech savvy or don't know how to navigate tools, this Tana project management tool is really for you. Welcome to day 7. And since me and my partner na lang ang natitira here sa Siargao, we tried ATV and we went to Sugba Lagoon. Yes, hindi naman po ako nagtrabaho ng umaga kasi we woke up so early just to go to Sugba Lagoon kasi nag-DIY lang kami. Sobrang layo ng Sugba Lagoon or ng port to go sa Sugba Lagoon. So, pumunta pa kami Del Carmen Port kasi we are here from General Luna. So, minutor lang namin siya and it took us like an hour to go there kasi lagpas pa siya ng airport. And ayun, nagpunta kami sa Sugba Lagoon, talon-talon lang din. And guess what? As a joiners and talagang nag-DIY lang kami, may nakasabay kami na foreigner and yes, siya ay content creators and potential client for me as a social media manager. And as someone who loves adventure, we also tried ATV here in Siargao. Nag-mountain trail kami and sobrang saya niya. Sobrang hirap niya but super enjoy kasi who wouldn't love adventure, diba? And after that, we went to Afam Bridge to have our dinner for the day. And yes, since sabi ko nga, everyday is engagement day, kaya before going to bed, nag-engage muna ako for that client na ina-engage ko. Kaya super smooth lang for this day. And that's it. This is my last day showing to you my setup as a social media manager, how I work, and how I handle multiple clients while traveling in Siargao. To tell you guys, sa mga sumunod na araw after that, is ganun lang din naman talaga yung ginawa ko. Trabaho sa umaga, if my time, then trabaho sa gabi talaga kapag hindi pa pagod. Then enjoy Siargao. And that's how social media management works. Actually, even though I am not traveling, ganun din naman talaga yung ginagawa ko. Sa umaga, kapag may time ako, doon ako nagwo-work, but most of the time, sa gabi talaga ako nagwo-work kasi doon talaga gumagana yung utak ko. I don't know why, but that's how it is. Pero as a social media manager, hindi naman siya mahirap. Basta you have the right system, you have the good process, or you know how to do it, and you know what to do to your client. And syempre, manage your time and have your project management tool ready for you para easy peasy na lang talaga sa'yo mag-handle ng multiple clients. So, in being a social media manager, it is a matter of how you systemize your work para madali mo siyang ma-handle, especially if you want multiple clients. And I hope you enjoyed this week in the life of being a social media manager traveling in Siargao. But if you want to know more or to see more of my journey as a social media manager, just let me know in the comment section. I also have lots of videos here on YouTube. Feel free to check this playlist and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.